Hello friends, I hope that you have seen my previous video when I assembled this protection circuit. And now in this second part, let's see how this works. I've raised this schematic from this PCB. I didn't found exact this schematic anywhere. Now let's begin. We have three parts here. This one is the power supply, this one is the delay and the relay, and this one is the protection part. I've rated all the components here. All the capacitor are 100 microfarads and 25 volts, and all the transistor are 8050. Now let's begin with the power supply. This is a classical power supply. Here we have a bridge rectifier. We have input 12 to 16 volts AC. Here we have DC. This is a classical stabilizer 7812, and this is the smoothing capacitor. This part is very simple, and here we have 12 volts. Now this part is also very simple. This resistor and this capacitor make the delay, and when you power this up, there is a 4 seconds delay until the relay is turned on. This is a voltage divider, and here it should be 3 volts in this point, but here we have two transistors in Darlington configuration. I believe they use this configuration to raise the threshold from 0.6 volts to 1.2 volts. And when at the beginning here in this base we have 0 volts, when we apply here 12 volts, after 4 seconds this capacitor is fully charged, and when it's fully charged to 1.2 volts, then this transistor will close this circuit to the ground, and the relay will be on. Relay will be powered. This is a simple diode to protect this transistor from flyback voltage from the coil of this relay. And here we have this LED and resistor. We can see that when the relay is powered, the LED is off, and when the relay is not powered, then the LED is on. Now let's jump to this protection part. This protection part is also very simple. Here we have two stereo inputs. Let's analyze this one. They are in the mirror, and we can analyze only this one from the left. So this protection circuit should interrupt the speakers when detects here on the input continuous voltage. And now let's see how this works. When we have continuous voltage, positive continuous voltage, then this capacitor will charge in 1 second. So when we first powered up this circuit, we can see that this transistor will be interrupted. And now let's analyze what happens when we have here positive continuous voltage. When we have positive continuous voltage, Then after the voltage reach to the threshold of 0.6 volts in this base, then this transistor will close the circuit to the ground. And when we close this circuit to the ground, then the relay will not be powered. It's very simple. Now let's see what happens when we have here a negative continuous voltage. When we have here negative continuous voltage, you can see here the voltage of this emitter will fall down under the base which is on the ground. And when also voltage on this point reaches minus 0.6 volts, then this transistor will be closed and will fall down the voltage to the minus. And when we have here the voltage here will be 0 or below 0, then these transistors also will open the circuit. And when we'll open the circuit here, the speakers will not be powered on. I hope that I've made this schematic very simple to you. And I hope that now you understand how this works. If you have any questions, please put it in a comment. And if you made it so far, please give a big like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.